Hi, I'm Amanda Hubansky. I'm President and CEO at People's Advantage Federal Credit Union, and today we have a very exciting day of celebration. We're celebrating our members, we're celebrating our team. We had a very successful month of July. We're able to help 354 members with $3 million in loans. So we've celebrated by bringing in 1,400 carnations, which resemble the $1.4 million we were able to save our members that received loans with us in the month of July.
Living in the community and working here, it's an advantage of seeing both sides and being out in the community. On my off time, I have so many members that approach me, love talking to me, all the conversations that a lot of people don't have at home. They're here and they're learning as well as doing their banking, and it's awesome to be a part of that. It's so many people that say, if it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't be able to. And that's what it is. That's what sets us apart from a lot of financial institutions. We're in a community where typically the door would stay closed. Ours is always open. And that's the difference right there.
Being a locally operated, member-owned, community-based financial institution means that the dollars that come in here, the dollars that are held in CDs, the dollars that are held in accounts, are redeployed into our communities to help our neighbors. It is staying here locally in the Tri-Cities, Richmond metro community, so we can help each other, so we can build each other up from the ground up. We don't need big banks, we don't need people from out of town, we don't need others to build us up. So truly, I look at this as punk rock banking. We don't need the man. This is a DIY groundswell of people helping people, of the community coming together to help each other, to lift us out, when so often we have somebody's foot sometimes on our chest, on our neck. It's going out there, changing the game, changing the banking world, and really just saying that we can do it ourselves. We don't need you, we don't need the man, we don't need big banks to dictate us to make sure that we have a bright future. We can do that for each other by working together collectively to really change the world and empower and uplift people.